Good morning, Mark. Hope you're well. Just wanted to show you Campaign Monitor. So this is the program I was talking to you about last night, the CRM that does all our email automation. So I have sent you an invite to your email. If you haven't seen it or it hasn't come through yet, just let me know and I will resend it over so you can get access. But what I wanted to show you was the email that we got going out and how to set up more if you wanted to implement the drip feed strategy that we were talking about last night. So if you jump up to listen subscribers, you'll have a list here of all the leads. I've connected this up to the landing page that we've got running at the moment. So all leads are going into here. So if you click onto that and you go over to journeys, it'll take you back to the automation. So the automation up here is the Luxland Way. I might rename that just to the 4 stages. The Luxland Way, just to avoid any confusion. So we have the ability here to add in extra emails going out daily or every second day, however you want to space them out. If you wanted to do that drip feeding with the different bits of collateral, but for the time being, I'll just leave it for the one email. And if you want to jump in, take a look. This is the email that I've got going out. So it's just a pretty simple one. Just, hey, their first name, as promised, here's the 4-stage blueprint you requested. Following this exact 4-stage plan, we have helped hundreds of first-time investors. Link through to the actual download. And then I've also got a book your free discovery call. So that at the moment is just going to the contact form on your homepage. So we're not actually tracking or being able to contact any or to track any conversions there, but I mean that's in there. So let me know what you think of that, and if you wanted to change anything, just give me a shout and we can work at fixing anything up if you see fit. Thanks, mate.